Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Today we're covering some of the good and the bad news about Palantir. Now, there's lots of fear surrounding this stock, and Wall Street has been beating this stock down like crazy. There are also a lot of misconceptions about insiders dumping shares, which we will go over soon. We'll also be going over some of the good news coming up for Palantir that most people seem to be overlooking. Cathie Wood from ARK Invest bought up shares of Palantir again. Alex Karp also mentioned that if you're a short-term trader, then Palantir is probably not the stock for you to invest in because this company is in it for the long run. Comments like this from Alex Karp lead me to be very bullish on Palantir. There's also a new consumer product coming out from Palantir. First off, I do not think that insiders selling shares is a big deal at all. Almost every company has insiders selling some shares during the lockup period for various different reasons. Maybe they want to buy themselves a house or a yacht or something like that. Very rarely is the reason that insiders stop believing in their own company. Additionally, the insiders that are selling some shares owned this stock at the IPO price of $8, which means that they already tripled their money in the stock. It's no surprise that some of them want to liquidize shares and keep some cash around. Finally, the insiders that are selling on a trading plan called the Rule 10b5-1. This plan allows stakeholders to sell a predetermined amount of shares at a predetermined time. This indicates that these insiders already had these sells planned, and it's not like they are offloading their shares because they stopped believing in their company. Next, ARK Invest bought up shares of Palantir again. We continuously see that Cathie Wood is buying Palantir shares, which shows that she has a very high conviction for this stock. Recently on the 24th, ARK Invest bought 1.2 million shares of Palantir, and ARK also bought an additional 780,000 shares of Palantir on March 25th. ARK Invest only buys companies in this amount if they have an extremely high conviction for it. Cathie Wood previously said that during a correction, she would sell off some of the losing companies for tax purposes and reposition the money into her highest conviction stock. In this chart, we can see that ARK has been buying shares of Palantir like crazy during the recent sell-off because it's a high conviction stock for them. Right now, ARK has 17 million shares of Palantir. Additionally, Alex Karp, the CEO of Palantir, made some very, very bullish comments for the long term of Palantir. He said, "We told the Wall Streeters that we will focus on building the long-term health of our company, that we're going to invest in our product development and in our clients. This means that they do not really care about their day-to-day share price in the company, but instead, they're just trying to build the best big data analytics company possible. This gives us a very bullish long-term outlook on Palantir, and this company is definitely a good buy under $23. If you're okay with holding Palantir for a year or two, this stock is going to do very well for you. As always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know what stock you want me to cover next. Peace.